Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to insert and delete rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's say for example that if I wanted to insert a new row between this value and this value here, I will select this cell here and I will right click, and then here I will just click on this option where it says insert, and here it says that entire row. So select entire row and click OK, and now you can see that we have this new row between these two values here. Okay, and basically to delete this row we will select this row here, right click, and here you can see delete option, select entire row, click OK, and now this row has been deleted. And same if we wanted to insert a new column to the left side of this column here, because in Excel you cannot add a new column to the right side like this one. If you will insert a new column, then it will appear on the left side of this column here. Okay, so let's suppose if I wanted to insert a new column, I will right click here, click on insert and entire column, click OK, and here you can see that we have a new column. And same if you wanted to delete this column, right click, delete, and entire column, click OK. So that's it for this tutorial guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.